Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix if the Ethernet is missing in Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So I'm currently on a Windows 11 system and here you can see that I do not have the network connectivity. If I click on the network icon, you can see that I do not have any network options here. And if I right click on this icon and select network and internet settings, this takes me to the settings app where network and internet settings are missing. There is no Wi-Fi, there is no Ethernet, and I cannot connect to the internet on this device. And if I check with the device manager, by doing a right click on the start button and selecting device manager, you can see that in the device manager, if I expand network adapters, there is no Ethernet or wireless driver installed. And that is why I do not have the options in the settings app for Ethernet and Wi-Fi. So if you are on the same situation, let's see how you can fix it. So this situation occurs basically when you don't have the dedicated wireless or Ethernet drivers installed. To resolve this problem, all you need to do is go to your device manufacturer's website and download the latest Ethernet or wireless drivers for your system model. Once you install them properly, this problem should be automatically fixed. Here I am showing you the example of a Dell device. So take this as an example for system model Inspiron 155567, and here I access the Dell website. Just to scroll down there and locate the category for network, Ethernet and wireless drivers. And once I filter that, I just scroll down and found the Ethernet control driver. Now I can simply select this and click on the download link or download button, and once the download starts, I can save this driver to my device. Since the internet is not working on your device, you can take the help of other device you have, or you can also even use your mobile to download the Ethernet controller driver and then copy back it to your original device having this problem. So the bottom line is that you can simply go to your device manufacturer's website and download the latest Ethernet or wireless driver. As simple as that. Once you download them, simply install them just like any other software you do. And once you install these drivers, you can simply open the device manager and click on the action, then scan for hardware changes. And you can see that under network adapters, I now have Ethernet adapter installed. I can just double click on it to verify if it is working. So here we have the device status. This device is working properly. And if you notice the network icon as well, it is now having the network access. And if I go to the settings app, you can see that I now have the dedicated Ethernet option since I installed only the Ethernet driver on this device. So this is how you can fix missing Ethernet driver on your Windows 11 operating system. In case if you have any question about this solution, do let me know in your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and I'll see you in the next video.